Hey guys, hey guys and gals, Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. I'm in one that I don't think I've ever driven before, and this is going back old school. Look at that Nissan badge. We are throwing back, man. But this son of a gun is clean. I mean clean. But it's got some miles on it. 2,000. So it's 22 years old. Fair enough. 233,000 miles. But God, this thing looks like new, y'all. Put the window down. Let's hear what she sounds like when we crank her up. Oh, are you kidding me? Huh. God, sounds great. Goes into gear nice. Please have cold AC. I love old school Maximas. These old square 2000. Let's see, they went up to about 02, I think, 02 or 03 before they got the crazy design. And the Infinity i30 looked like them. This thing is nice, y'all, for its age. Very, very nice. We do have a little bit of a sticky speedometer. I noticed it's kind of jumping around, but that's okay. Oh, God. Hits the bumps like new. What? Y'all, this thing has been maintained. Holy cow. The seat is firm. Not ass rump, rump sprung. I mean, it is firm and tight. This is a nice car. Wow. Trade in at Crown Subaru. Oh yeah. Great acceleration. Wow. Yeah, this thing has great pickup. And runs tremendously well. This is kind of a base model, I guess you'd say. It does have a compact disc, but we've got manual stereo controls, of course, a cloth seats, no sunroof, so this is like a base Maxima. But it is nice. It is so clean. Whoa, man, and it's got plenty of get up and go. Shift's perfect. But the speedometer's funny. It's jumping around. Kind of weird. Man, this one's going to be on my bucket list for sure. Or this, what did I say? Crown Subaru. Gas light just came on. Get up here and do a walk around. You guys won't believe this thing. It's in great shape. This thing is crazy, crazy nice. You know, for the age, for one thing, but gosh, even the miles, to have 233 on it. I mean, the buttons and everything are nice. The buttons and everything on the dash are not, all worn down and beat down. Oh, you're kidding me. We got the books. Oh, that's great. Oh, shoot, and the original business cards. You're kidding me. Got Continental tires all the way around. Look at that thing, y'all. Is that thing not beautiful? Man, look at those Connies. They look nice. Headlights need a wet sand and polish, but that's pretty common for this age. Listen to that timing chain V6. Man, that is old school Nissan 3-liter V6 right there. Got a new battery in June of 20. Wow. What a great running car. Great running car. Heavy hood. Damn. I mean, the wheels, even the wheels look good. They're not all beat up. Man, this car's nice. We do have a little something going on there. Looks like maybe they backed into something. A little paint deterioration on the bumper. Ted Russell Nissan. Lord, he hadn't been around in years. We got an aftermarket tent that's kind of, you know, going to poo on us. But look at that paint, y'all. Nice rig. I got to snap a few pictures of this one, so I'm going to say goodbye right here. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Holy crap, big plane. We'll see you next time. Peace.